wish you could have your own NFT store? Wish no more, since Niftify is here. Create store instantly with no coding required on multiple chains. Freely customize store design, add your native token, or even have your own store domain. And so much more. All comes at an insane zero development fee. Reimagine what's possible with your own NFT business. Create your free store on Niftify today. Niftify. Fuel the rise of NFT economy.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm here today to talk about Enable Everything NFTs. And I'm going to start with my humble beginning in the crypto as well as NFT space. It started in 2015 when I started to build my own blockchain development firm in Vietnam, and that's where I'm from. And we started to develop a lot of ICO, IDO projects back in the days. And it turned into decentralized exchange, centralized exchange. And these 2 years, we've been receiving a lot of NFT marketplace development requests from all around the world. And we have a team of over 160 blockchain engineers right now. However, around last year, we started to deal with a pretty good issue of not having enough engineer resources to supply to the demand. So we came up with the idea of, okay, this client, he wants to build an NFT marketplace like OpenSea. And we know how to do it, and we have done so a few times. However, it will take at least 4 to 5 months and a few hundred Ks to build. So we were thinking, me and my CTO, my co-founder, what we can do about that. So we came up with the idea of what if we create a template so that people can build an NFT marketplace within minutes without any development at all. What about the musicians? What about the artists? What about fashion brands? And all that who are interested, who are curious about NFT, but they don't have the blockchain expertise, and they don't have the financial resources to build. And then they are not marketers, they don't know how to build their brand, but also they don't want to just mint and list their assets on some random marketplace and then get lost on there. So that's how we came up with the idea of building Niftify. We call it NFT, IFY. So the idea is the Shopify of NFT, and we have come a quite journey so far since last year, and we started to build. The idea is we are going to create a platform so anyone can build a store within minutes. So if you go on our website, Niftify.network, you'll be able to just enter an email address, create a password, and then you'll have your own store. You can customize the header, footer, your logo. You can even have your own domain name. So, for example, if you are a music brand, you are an artist, you can name after your name .marketplace or .nft or whatever you want to name it, and it will appear as your own brand. Nothing has our name on it, and it takes only a few minutes. You'll be able to customize how to display your items too, in different categories, different collections, different themes, different colors, like best-selling, new items, best collections, etc. And so we first came up with, that feature to help sellers, help artists, creators to have their own brand and selling more. And we launched the working platform in July. It's been only 3 months. However, we're now supporting over 30,000 artists, musicians, and sports, and even NFT gaming projects from all over the world. And we have over 1,000 stores that have built on us using Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. We are trying to integrate with as many blockchains as possible because I do believe that it's your free choice to choose whatever blockchain you want to build with. And we started with the sellers. However, we have a very engaging community. So we try to help sellers to sell more, sell better, and we just rolled out a whole bunch of features. For example, a few weeks ago, we rolled out this resale feature. So right now, for sellers, it's not only the primary sale marketplace that they can build on us with 0 fees at all. We only charge 2.5% per transaction. So it costs nothing for you to build a store. And as long as you don't sell, you don't pay anything. And the fee right now is super, super low. And we want to lower the barrier for everybody to come in. First of all, for sellers, but for buyers right now, if you support your community or if your fans support you and buy an NFT on your store, they will be able to resell that right away. So your store or your marketplace will instantly become a secondary marketplace. So it can become the OpenSea of yourself. And we do have the multi-artist feature too, which means that one artist, once you have your own marketplace, you will be able to recruit a lot of sellers to sell under your store. So for example, if you're a sports brand, but you work with a lot of different sports clubs, soccer, football, tennis, basketball, you can have different categories and assign sellers to sell under your store and then can set up your loyalty fees at your own will. More than that, we also roll out the custom token feature, which means a lot of projects right now, you try to build your own economy. So you have your own token. You can use it as a governance token, or you can use it as a payment method. And now we enable that feature to our store owners too, which means that you are now able to integrate your own custom token as a payment method. So basically, for sellers now, it's everything, and we communicate with our users on a daily basis. Our development is collected from the request from our sellers and buyers, so it's very practical. And this is just the humble beginning that we started last year. We do have a lot of ideas to create and enable the NFT economy because we do believe in this innovative technology. It's more than just the hype in the collectibles. We do see a lot of use cases in using NFT to enlarge and expand economies in every industry, in fashion, in music, in sports. And I want to be one of the ambassadors here to talk to people to come up with ideas of how we can use these technologies in their business, in your business. And then we build more practical features on this and to create a strong community, strong ecosystem together.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.